Good exercises, Sam.
I exercise.
You're exercising. You're doing alternative sit-ups.
But
Good work, Sam.
You want to do more push-ups, Sam?
no,
Okay, do the sit-ups.
the ups. No, yes.
You got up? Okay.
There you go. Just more push-ups. Okay, Sam, you're going to pull me up. Pull me up. Got my hand?
Help him up. Grab his hand.
Got my hand? Okay, all right, thank you. Thank you. Let's do some more push-ups over here, Sam. Ready? Ready? Come and ready to go? Okay, okay.
More push-ups?
More push-ups?
Okay.
Okay, perfect, perfect. And 1, 2, 3.
Good job, Sam. Push-ups. Go to the ground and then push up.
Good work, Sam.
You helping him exercise?
Helping me a lot. Good work, Sam. Much harder. Okay, thanks, Sam. I'm going to. So now. Ah, okay. You ready to give me some more assistance?
Yay!
Thank you.